Always wait till after the bath to do nails. Always make sure you have your quick stop if you quick their nails, which is the long vein in their nails. We have small clippers for dogs. We have large clippers for dogs, which we will use on him. And I also have these large ones we can use. And then we also have these ones, sometimes I use for dew claws. So, we're going to get started. You always want to pull back the hair from the nail and look to make sure on dark nails it's hard to see a vein, so you always want to start with the tip. And we're going to switch nails, and you're going to slowly work your way down. Easy. Good boy. Until you see on dark nails you will come to a small black dot, and that is when you stop. That way you do not make them bleed. White nails are a lot easier to do. Excuse me. So you can see the vein. But you get to that one, and you always want to make sure you check for a dew claw. Good boy. Yeah. Easy. You're okay. And you just continue your way around to the foot. One thing when you're doing a dog, you try to make their leg even. You don't want to extend their hip, shoulder, just in case they jerk and don't want to risk them pulling anything. So try to have it straight and pulled at a slight angle. Easy. It's okay. You're a good boy. You're a good boy. No. You're okay. You're okay. You can either start with and do the front, or you can do the back, and you can turn him, or however that person that's doing the nails prefers. Me, I will just go ahead and start doing the front, so I don't have to turn him. You're doing so good. For back feet, I always just take and just hike it straight up. Put the top of the toes, kind of bend them to where you can pull the hair back. And just slowly start at the top and work your way down. Never take a huge chunk out at once, because with dark nails, you can easily make them bleed. Good boy. That's what. Last toe. And we are all done. Good boy. Yeah, good boy. Shake.